What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ashley, also known as Curlsfothegirls, and today I'm going to be showing you how I like to do my summer foundation routine. I like to keep this as light as possible. Like I said, it is a summer foundation routine. I use a lot less liquid product and more powder product, only because I get oily and I want to make sure I'm locking everything into place all day. Also a ton of setting spray. I'm going to make sure I include everything down below, of course, in the description box. But if you would like to see my methods and the products that I'm using for my foundation or my base makeup, then keep on watching. Alright, y'all, so we're gonna jump right in and we're gonna get started. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna prime my face. The first one I'm gonna be using is the Henriksen Banana Bright Face Primer. This one has vitamin C and banana powder inspired pigments. This is a really good one. I love it, especially on like the highlighted areas of my face, because it's gonna really brighten those areas up. So I like to apply it in the center of my face, like this area here under my eye and on my nose as well. And I will do, of course, like around my mouth a little bit, forehead, and my chin. Alright. Next up, I'm gonna go in with my Dermablend Insta Grip Jelly Primer. This is a 3-in-1 multitasking primer. So I take 1 pump of this onto the back of my hand. And I like this one, especially like in my laugh lines, because I feel like with laugh lines you need a little more help. I do the top of my lip as well. And I'll go right on top of where I applied that Henriksen. And kind of just like, I'll press it in and then I kind of just tap over the top of my nose. And then whatever's left on my neck. Next up, I'm gonna go in with my foundation. I am going to be using the Covergirl Full Spectrum Matte Ambition Foundation. This is an all-day shine-free foundation. I'm going to be using the shade Tan Golden 2. I do have a little bit of color now, so I had to make sure that I darkened up my foundation. So I take this and I just apply it right to the face. I do 1 pump or half a pump for the most part, and forehead. And then what I do is, as I spread it out, I'll spread it to the other areas of my face. And that's because I really want this to be as light as possible, because it is a summer foundation look. I really don't want to weigh my skin down or make it super heavy. So now I'm just going to blend that out with a beauty blender. This one, of course, is damp already. And you always want to get into your hairline. Always. Also do like the front of my ears. Now I'm gonna go in with my concealer. I am gonna be using the Urban Decay Naked Skin Weightless Complete Coverage Concealer in the shade Medium Dark Warm. This is my go-to concealer. So I'm gonna do under eye first, and that's because I want this area to sit a little bit so that the concealer does have a chance to dry down. Then forehead. Then I do bridge of my nose, top of my lip, and I actually need my lip wax. Usually. And then my chin. So now I'm gonna actually blend this out using a brush. I'm gonna use my Sigma brush. This is the F79 brush. This is a concealer blend kabuki. So I always start with the forehead area first. And I try to blend that, of course, as close to my brows as possible. Right? And then I'll do chin. Then I'll do top of my lip. And I try to get that as close to my nostrils as possible to cancel out any redness that may be around my nose. and then I'll begin working it up into the eye area. Then I'm gonna do bridge of my nose. I always try to keep this in the center. However, I am going to like contour and bronze up my nose anyway, so I'll be able to, you know, fix it, hook it up there if necessary. Right? So now I'm just gonna take my beauty blender. So I'm gonna blend out the outer edges first, just so that, you know, everything marries together and looks seamless. Because we want everything to look married. You don't want any harsh lines, nothing standing out and looking like the ghetto. So I'm gonna take the opposite end and I'm just gonna get up under my eye. Now I'm gonna quickly set my face. So I'm gonna be using my Dermablend Original Loose Setting Powder. And I'm just gonna apply that to the cap, well, add that to the cap. I'm gonna make sure my under eye is blended out, because that is what I'm going to set first, because I feel like that's where you experience creasing first. And I'm just gonna get up under the eye. Same thing. Yeah, so I like to do my under eye first because, like I said, that's where I feel like I tend to see creasing first. And then I can do everything else. Alright, so I like to pack it onto those areas that I find crease first, or where I become oily first. So after I've done that and I've set those areas, I like to begin dusting it away very quickly, only because I feel like the construction just got so loud out of nowhere. I'm gonna begin dusting it away, and as I'm doing that, I'm gonna buff the remaining powder, well, the excess powder, into the other areas of my face, and then I'll add more as I see fit, if that makes sense. So I dust away from the forehead, and then I'll bring it up to the perimeter, which still, of course, needs to be set. Under eye. And my eye is tearing up. Like, I'm really trying to understand what the joke is right now. And now I'll just pick up some more powder, and I'll do my neck. Like, do not forget to set your neck. Do not. Oh, my scarf is falling in the bag. What's happening to this? Okay. So we're done here. Next up, we are gonna bronze. I am going to use my Fenty Beauty Sun Stalk'r bronzers. I'm going to use Bajan Gyal first. And I use two bronzers at this point, only because I am a little more tan. I use Bajan Gyal close to the skin because it's a warmer bronzer. And this is what I really want to set onto the skin. So I always start at my cheek. I go up into my temples, my hairline, but I always start on the cheek first. Now I'm just gonna take, I believe it's Caramel Cutie, and I'm gonna go same brush right into that, tap off the excess, and just right on top of where I've already bronzed. But I also like to apply this to the, like underneath my cheekbone, to really just set things up a little bit more. So it's kind of like I'm almost contouring a little bit with this bronzer, and then I just go right on top. Same thing. So now I am going to quickly contour my nose, and we'll be right back to finish up. So our brows are now done. Now I'm just gonna dust away this excess setting powder from my nose. Right? So now I'm just gonna bronze up the tip of my nose. Whatever is left on my brush is what I'm going to use. Really bronze up that tip. And now I'm gonna actually do blush, which is very funny, but I like to do a majority of my powder products first before I actually wet everything down and set it. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of my MAC Peaches blush, tap off that excess, and I always start here and then work my way to the actual apple. Same thing. Alright, so now is when I marry everything together. I'm going to take my Fix Plus first. Right? And what my Fix Plus is going to do, it's going to settle all of those powders so everything married together really well. Then I'm going to go in with De-Slick by Urban Decay and spray the center of my face. Now to lock everything in, I'm gonna use my all-nighter, and I'm really gonna go in with this all over. And now you really just want everything to dry down and just really lock everything in all together. But this is really gonna help settle all of those powders so everything looks more skin-like. All right, so everything is now dried down, so I'm gonna quickly cut under my bronzer with a little bit of setting powder. I'm not gonna do the full thing, just like right here is where I have been doing it lately. Right? And then I take that same brush and just dust away the excess. And I feel like this is just a softer cut, and it really gives me gives me the look that I really like and that I'm looking for without it being super dramatic and super defined. So now I'm just gonna quickly finish up the remainder of my face, and we'll be right back. Alright, so we have our wing liner and our lashes now. So now I'm going to begin finishing up, and one of the things I like to do is I like to apply a little bit of blush to my nose. So whatever is left on my blush brush, just going to apply that. And I think it's just so cute. It's so cute. See? It's so cute. Alright, y'all, so we're back. This is the finished look. I've applied my lip gloss and, you know, just fluffed out the hair a little bit or whatever. So yeah, that's pretty much the finished look. I like to keep my foundation as light as possible, but of course I want to make sure that I'm getting the glam that I know and love. So that's pretty much it. I really hope that you all enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.